Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati, and this is the very big announcement that I am going to launch a free webinar on this coming Saturday, 23rd December 2023, and where I will be telling you or discussing you about the roadmap to become a Azure Data Engineer in 2024 year. So if you are someone who is preparing for Azure Data Engineer or who wants to be a data engineer, right, in the next year, then please join this webinar, and it is free of cost. You do not need to pay any single amount. It will be around of 1 hour of webinar, and I will be taking this webinar. I will be telling you the tip and tricks, what project you need to create it, which project you should not create it, and what skills you should have before going to the interview rounds. Okay, and I will also be giving a promo code of my courses which I have launched till now on my website. So if you are interested to get those promo codes, up to 50% off promo codes, if you want to get it, you can join my free webinar on 23rd December 2023. It means on this coming Saturday. Okay, day after tomorrow, and the timing is 11 a.m. from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, so you can see all these highlights, the bonuses I have written over here, and the final price is 0. Ideally, others creates, or take, some charges, 99 rupees and 49 rupees and 9 rupees, but I do not take any single amount of charge of this, these webinars. And what you need to do, you need to click on this continue button. So if you haven't subscribed or registered, you might be getting a register button. So you have to click on that, and then you have to go inside to it. Okay, first you have to log in from your account, from your Gmail account, or from your, any of the, email account. And then you can see the content is, hello learners, thank you for registering for our webinar, and this is the date, right? And here you can, if you click here, then you will get my, you can join my community, Telegram community, where I will be, pushing my, or publishing my some contents, or some promo codes, right? So if you are someone who wants to be a data engineer, please join my this webinar. Also, you have to join this, video. Okay, you have to join this chapter. So class starts on 2023 12:23 11:30 a.m. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed it, I would suggest you subscribe kar lo, so that you will at least get a promo code, or the promo code will only be, valid for only 2 days. Okay, it means 23 and 24, not 25, right? So it's totally up to you. If you want to take a opportunity, if you want to take enroll in my courses, so it's better कि you go ahead and take that opportunity. Otherwise, maybe you will lose the opportunity, and the course content and everything is very good. If you're following my YouTube channel, if you're following my free courses, then you already understand or understood कि how Sagar is delivering the content and what is the value in the market. So there are many guys, many students of mine who have gotten 100% hike, who have gotten 40 lakhs LPA, 40 LPA, 45 LPA. I have the members in my, in my Telegram channel. You can ask them, you can ask about my courses, feedbacks and other stuff. You can do it, right? So this is just gonna be, this is gonna be end of this year, and from next year I will be making a tutorials, or videos, or the courses, lectures on Apache Hoodie, Microsoft Fabric, Power BI end to end, then Snowflake, then we have data modeling, then we have Airflow, then we have, lake house. So we have many things in the pipeline. So if you are supporting to me, then I'm ready to support you. Okay, chalo, let's wind up this video, and I hope that you will enjoy that coming webinar, and please try to join it. Do not forget, save the date, save the timing in your calendar, so that you will not forget it. Chalo, thank you, bye bye.